On another sunny day at Friendship School, the kids were getting ready for an exciting group activity in the park.
Are you ready for today's activity?
I heard we're going to rescue an injured animal. This will require a lot of cooperation between us.
What tools do we need?
We have a first aid kit and some rope and other tools.
We need to plan well to rescue the animal. Do you have any ideas?
We can split the tasks between us.
Is everyone ready?
Yes, let's go!
The kids have arrived at the park and are looking for the injured animal.
I think I see him there.
It looks like he's an injured puppy. We need to be careful.
Let's start giving him first aid.
I'll use a tourniquet to stabilize his foot.
And I'll get him some water to cool him down.
The kids worked hard together to save the injured puppy.
We're succeeding because of our cooperation.
I think we're done. Is he okay now?
Yes, thanks to our efforts.
We did it. The puppy's okay now.
Yes, our cooperation was key.
I'm proud of what we accomplished today.
Our cooperation made us successful.
I'm proud of you. Today we learned the importance of cooperation and teamwork.
We have to continue to cooperate in all our activities.
Yes, cooperation is the key to success.
And so, the children learned the value of cooperation and how teamwork brings success.